Tired of overwhelming dashboards? Let's transform this data jungle into a curated experience. First, we'll start with our Qlik Sense sheet. Make sure you have a table object with the columns you want to control. Click the Edit button in the toolbar to enter edit mode. This will allow us to add and configure our buttons. Now, from the Objects panel on the left, drag and drop a button object onto your sheet. Place it where you want your controls to be. In the Buttons Properties panel, under Appearance, enter a descriptive label for your button, for example, Show Sales Data. Next, in the Action section, click Add Action. We need to define what this button will actually do. From the Action drop-down, select Set Variable. We'll use variables that control the column visibility. Create a variable, for example, Sales Data, and in the Expression field, add an expression that toggles between 0 and 1 each time the button is pressed. This toggles a state of the visibility. Now, in the Table Properties panel, find the column you want to control. In the Column Settings, locate the Show column. If expression, enter an expression that links the column's visibility to the variable we just created. For example, if you want to show the column when the variable is 1, you can use the expression Sales Data equals 1. Repeat these steps for all the columns you want to control, creating a new button and variable for each set of columns. Now, users can click the buttons to show or hide columns, focusing on the data that's most relevant to them.